Hey there, travel enthusiasts! Thinking about making the big move to Italy from the US? You're in the right place. Today I'll share some essential tips and tricks to help you make that transition as smooth as possible. Buckle up, because it's going to be an exciting ride. First things first, let's talk about visas. If you're planning to stay longer than 90 days, you'll need a visa. The elective residence visa is a popular option for retirees and those with a steady income. For work, you might need a work visa or a self-employment visa. Make sure to check the specific requirements on the Italian consulate's website. Next up, finding a place to live. Italy offers a variety of living options, from bustling cities like Rome and Milan to charming countryside regions like Tuscany. Research the areas thoroughly, and consider renting an Airbnb for a few months to get a feel for different neighborhoods. Websites like immobiliare.it and casa.it are great for finding rentals and properties for sale. Now let's talk about healthcare. Italy has a fantastic public healthcare system, known as the Servizio Sanitario Nazionale, or SSN. As a resident, you can enroll in the SSN and access medical services at a low cost. Alternatively, private health insurance is also available if you prefer. Of course, you'll need to open a bank account. Major banks like Unicredit and Intesa Sanpaolo offer services for expats. You'll need your passport, Italian tax code, codice fiscale, and proof of residence to open an account. Speaking of the codice fiscale, it's like a social security number, and you'll need it for many bureaucratic processes in Italy. You can apply for it at an Italian consulate or once you arrive in Italy. Let's not forget the language. While many Italians speak English, especially in tourist areas, learning Italian will hugely enhance your experience. Plus, it's a beautiful language. Consider taking online courses or attending language schools in Italy. Duolingo and Babbel can also be great tools to get you started. Finally, embrace the culture. Italy is rich in history, art, and cuisine. Take time to explore historical sites, enjoy local cuisine, and immerse yourself in the Italian way of life. Build a network by joining expat groups and connecting with locals. So there you have it. Moving to Italy from the US can be an incredibly rewarding experience. With a bit of preparation and these handy tips, you'll be well on your way to La Dolce Vita. Safe travels, and enjoy your new adventure in Italy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel tips and guides.